now.
Hi, I am Carol Rain, and I am spending a beautiful Sunday afternoon in a redwood preserve just outside of Napa, California, where my partner and I come to relax and enjoy and be in nature. It's so important for us to get outside, to get away from the computers and the phones and all of our technology and busyness and stresses and the real world that we all live in, and be with nature so that we can tap into our nature and remember who we really are. So I love getting into these trees, this forest. There's a beautiful energy in this forest. It's like a field. It's called in quantum physics the field. And the trees have an energetic field around them, and we as people have energy around us. And when we get into nature, we share our fields. We share the energy, and we can feel the peace and the joy and the love in the trees, at the ocean, in the mountains, wherever we choose to go. So let's see if you can hear the waterfall behind me. It's so enlivening to be in nature. Alive with creating for me is being in nature. I go home, I feel more creative, I feel more productive, I feel more relaxed and ready to do my work. So I hope you take some time, as little as 5 minutes a day, to stop and look outside your window, look at the sky, enjoy the sun, look at the colors around you. The colors in nature are so enlivening. The energy of color is just so healing. And every color, especially in these trees, there's lots of green. So we have lots of heart energy here in the trees. So get outside wherever you live, whatever is happening where you are, and enjoy the being and who you are, discovering and exploring your own nature. Bye for now.